Welcome back to another video. Guys, if you guessed that this room was AI, no, you were wrong, I'm afraid. Sorry about that, but you were. It's not. It's just been a lot of work basically to get it to look the way it looks with a floating bed. And my new goal is to get this channel to 20,000 subscribers. I've had, in my absence, over 30,000 views a month, which is just insane considering I've not been uploading, I've not been doing much at all. I put out a video in my garden that you guys seem to like. A few comments from there. Thank you all so much, everyone who interacts, saying that they want to see more of that. I've got my coat on now because I've just come in from more graft out there basically. But as well as doing inside the house and outside the house, I've been doing other things as well, and it's led to not having much time. Now I've got time, I thought, do you know what? I've got the internet changed over. It took 3 weeks, I've had no internet. Been sitting there on my phone looking at old videos going, do you know what? This honestly would work on a new channel. And I don't really want to keep going over the old this, the old that. I'm in a brand new chapter of my life, and I think it makes sense to just start a whole new channel. I've just put a poll up, hit go, 5 people already. 1 person said, no, I like this channel. It's the same channel content, but on a different channel, if that makes sense. So whether or not you like what's on this channel, you'll see it in the new one. And when I set it up, I want to put a link here to that one, hoping that you all run over and subscribe. I hope you do. But it would be the same content I've been producing on here, just on a brand new channel with a brand new outlook pretty much, and in a new environment. So house build, garden build, home life, no travelling at the moment because I've been doing this for the best part of half a year. Although I do want to get back to travelling, it's not going to come anytime soon. This is just about setting up a homestead, allotment, garden twice because I want it as a natural garden as well, not just fruit, veg and fucking cabbage white. And also doing up the house as well. But I do want to get this channel to 20,000 subs. It's been teetering there for about a year. In my absence, like I say, I get over 30,000 views a month and I barely upload. I know it's shit, but I do want to get back at it. On the brand new channel, I want to do daily vlogs. I want to upload every single day for you guys and show you exactly what I'm up to. Call it a personal achievement of mine, but I know that if I was consistent for even a month, I'd have hit 20k subs on this channel. So if anyone's watching this right now and wants to continue watching on a new channel, subscribe here and then you'll be notified when I, put out the new channel on this channel. It's channel too many fucking times, isn't it? Yeah. Subscribe right now if you're not already subscribed. Get this channel to 20,000 subs. When we get there, I'm gonna the new channel. But I like the idea. Some are on the wall. Just, Joe Mills, he was homeless, he was this, he was that, he was all the crap that happened to him. He was, all the stuff that you're aware of and a lot that you're not. I'd like to put that picture of 20,000 subs, and it's not a fucking plaque, I know, but it's my achievement, on my wall. And I'll put it in my bedroom. I'll put it right there on that wall. 20,000 subs, we're 100 people away, that's it. So once we've done that, and I've had a couple of days to get set up with everything, I'll put a link on this channel to the new channel where you can go and see my endeavours and my efforts, and hopefully it will encourage you yourself to not do similar, but just get out of the back if you can. And just, I've got so many videos edited, banked, prepped, waiting to go on, and you'll see I don't want to give the game away too soon. Comment, like, subscribe. We hit 20,000 subs, I get to put my picture on my wall thanks to you guys, and then bang, brand new channel, daily uploads. Cannot fucking wait. I'm itching to share with you. Just like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Cheers.